Hello dear friend, there is a major update for DaVinci Resolve 19. If you use DaVinci Resolve 19, please don't forget to update their friend. There will be more stable performance now. In today's class, we will go through this update and we will update DaVinci Resolve 19 and we will test the performance of DaVinci Resolve 19 here. And this update is DaVinci Resolve 19.1.3. DaVinci Resolve 19.1.3 is live now. You know, we had update. I have already in our playlist the update of DaVinci Resolve 19.1.2. In today's update, some more bug fixes and some more performance stability have been added, dear friends. And today we will go one by one. Don't skip any step. All steps are very important. In the last we will test the performance, and this is actually the series of 19.1 update, 19.1, 19.2. This is now 19.1.3 updates, and some features which in this series have been added. We will just go through because some updates, some features from the last update we couldn't cover in the update. Today we will update that features, and we will see the stability of these features in now in 19.1.3, dear friend. For this update, you have to come here. If you use DaVinci Resolve 19, you have to come here. You see, just check here, check for update here. You see, just click here. Now you see, now this is the actually the update is available here. Software update DaVinci Resolve. This is actually, if you have DaVinci Resolve 19.1, it's okay. The same Studio and DaVinci Resolve 19. These are most of features are almost same. 99 features are almost same, dear friend. Here we will come here, or otherwise I will give you the link in our description box. From there you can directly download DaVinci Resolve 19.1.3 here. Dear friend, stay connected till the end. We will actually see our performance and all steps, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more interesting tutorial, dear friend, for you about DaVinci Resolve 19. Hello dear friend, now we have just updated DaVinci Resolve 19. Now we are in DaVinci Resolve 19.3 here. Just we are opening the project here. Yes, we have to allow this on DaVinci. You see, yes, file location update required. You have to click yes, and window asks the permission here. You have to click yes here. From here, sometime window just protect and restrict the permission because they think that it's maybe virus. But we have to click OK here. Now you see we have opened DaVinci Resolve 19 here. Now we come here, dear friend. Now we have, you see, we have the file here. So we will take a video from our last project and we will just drag to our timeline here. This is actually our video from DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1 features. Here once again you are welcome to Resolve for you. You know, we have already updated DaVinci Resolve 19.1.2. If you haven't updated, please update. In the last update we have already talked about all the main basic features about DaVinci Resolve 19.1.2 and 19. Actually this is now we what we'll do, we have to just trim the video. We will come here and we'll just trim the video here. We'll just come here and you know, from here you just click here. You see a B, blade tool B. You can trim video here. Like here, you once you click here and just trim here, and we will to select here. I have designed this for beginners so that you can understand now. And you see, once we have trimmed our video for generator, so we have to come here. You see in effect here, this is actually our media pool. We will close. This is effect, close, open. You, if you want to close, you can't see. You have to open effect here. Just click here and you have to come here from our, this is actually the series or update. These are from our last update, but here we didn't see about this effect, how to use. We come to our cloud and we will just put here in the video here. You see here, these are about this. We have already last tutorials, so how to use some of these like this this we have learned in the last update here. And we will come here and we will just close the gap from here. Here you have to click delete. It will close the gap from here on your keyboard. And you see we have actually beautiful like this, and we can take text here from 19.1.1 update. We have here very beautiful text. For text we have to come here and we can take any text, but we generally use this text for our intro class here. We will just put here, and now we will type here DaVinci Resolve our update. For example, I write here DaVinci Resolve date. We can this actually update is 19.1.3, dear friend, and we will make like this. Okay, and we can change the color here. We get red color here. Okay, this beautiful color, and we can use this intro like this in this way, very beautiful. And we come to here for generators here. Generators we can take more like this. You see from last class we have here how to use. See, actually, this were added in DaVinci Resolve 19.1 update point one here. These curtains, these, but there were one marks bugs fixing. There were some problems here. So now after this update, all the, you see how stable our software is working here. You, like in this way, you can add. You see, now we have added. Try this, dear friend. From our last class, we have already learned how to use. Try here, and we will play here. You see. In this way, you can add there. Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. You know, we have already and there are lots of more. You can take try this. You want you can try this. We just delete here cartoon here, backspace, click backspace here, and you can delete here. We can take this honey box. We put here. See here. Only you see how fashionable is this. You can try in your clip, you take a clip and which you want to make for your YouTube, your content creations for your client, and add these generators actually there. And this is actually Fusion generation from 19.1.1 update. Actually, this is all the series of update here. See here. No, you see, it's a very smooth. But in the last update, it was not so smooth performance. Was no, you see, it's a very smooth performance now. Actually, these are very heavy updates there, and very heavy you see titles actually here. And for this you need a resource on your computer, strong graphic card, video card. See here, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. Now we come here, we take some others. You see, we have learned about this, and you can make some settings. You can make this is you see here, you can add keyframing. For example, you, it will be like this, like this. You can add keyframing, and you have to just here. I want to make here our keyframing is on here. Like this. It will be like this now, and we when our video will come here in our video, and we will add this keyframing to here like this. You see now how it will be beautiful. From here, our video starts from here. You see, in this way you can change. You see like this. Hello, dear friend. This is so I just return here. Control Z. Our keyframing is off here, and we will come here. Our video is when here. We will just start here. Click here keyframing. It means it's a red diamond now. It means our keyframing is on. But when our video will come here, we will lighten here our this curtain. You see, now we can just drag like this. Drag like this. When our video will be here, and we will drag like this in this way. And when our video will be here, more like this, and we play now this effect now. You see, no, it's a visible. This affects. Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh. You can use this after this update. You know how it's stable. I was waiting for this for a long time, dear friend. 1 month I waited for this update. Here you see, we can take another. There are several, but you can take this cube here. This cube. Take this here. Our video is here. You can add here in the same way. You can add framing size. You can increase from all or bigger. Here you can add, and when you come to cube array here, you can change. Actually, you can rotate more. We have a rotation number. You can add cube 10. It will be bigger, more cube. It will be a small cube, 5, 6 cube. In this way you can drag, and it will be 9 cube. You say 8 cube, 10 cube. I just not 7 cube. Okay, 10 cube is okay. 10 is okay. And we'll put here rotation here, like we rotate like some. And when our video will be come here, and we will add here rotation something like this. And you can try yourself, and you can make it more like interesting. You can do like this rotation. We can add like this. And when our video will be here, and here you see our rotation, I will make it default here. Yeah, I just click here, you see diamond, it will be default here. It will be default here. And we now we play this actually effect. See how beautiful effect is now. You see, try yourself. Hello, and dear friend. There are more settings actually here. Try rotate, how to use it, and you can add here tone blend. Actually, you want you can blend like something. You see, it will be blend something more accurate, like 3D effect here. And you can add here textures, like texture. You can add from here something with texture. More colorful. Yes, it's okay here. And the texture strength you can add from here. You see here, click here. Okay, it's okay. You can change color from it, like this color. Okay, our color will be like this, and you play this effect now, dear friend. So beautiful. It's so you see how it's beautiful. Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here once again. So try this actually, dear friend, in DaVinci Resolve. It's a totally free. In, this you see such for such effect in Premiere Pro. In other softwares, you need to buy plugins or you can understand. But in DaVinci Resolve, it's totally free for our YouTubers or content creators, dear friend. Here you can change more colors. Here, if you want these colors more framing, you can add in color like this. And when our video will be here, see, I can add green here, keep framing here, color effect like this color, you see. When our video will be here and use this is actually cube array. This is a cube array effect. It's so fantastic. I can't cover all because class will be longer, dear friend. If you want a separate class, you write me, I will make a separate class for you. You see, no, see how its effect is. You see, hello, dear friend, this is Rakesh. The same way we can take more, we can take other like this, we can like this, we can take this honeycomb. It's actually you can use this on intro class there. The honeycomb is here, and here start keyframing. When our video will be here, and you add like something border like this, you see this, it's like honey effect you will give to your intro classes for introductory classes. Vowel depth you can increase from increase decrease here. When your computer is weak, not strong, it may take some time to generate the effect. You see, in this way we can add here random seed, we can add it like this. It will be like this. Our video will be here, and we can add like animation something in this way. And now we can play and see this effect. Learn, you have to practice, dear friend. In video editing, you have to practice. So we once come here, you can add color from here. Just come here, and you can add red if you want to increase redness like this. You can add like some things and keep framing. When our video will be here, you can clean something here and something here, and now we play from here. See, you can change it, try one by one, and you will understand how to use this such type of effect in your video. This is actually paper effect. We will learn the next class here. These effects already, these was before the beta update were added here. Actually, this is the series in 19.1 190.34. Next update will be 19.1.4. all will be the stability, and some few features will be added. But in DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1, more features have been added, so which we have a special class. Go to the playlist and see there. And no, I want to show you one more things very special. We come here, we just take any, for example, I take this our YouTube thumbnail, and you have to come to effect here, type here outer stroke. You have to type here outer stroke. You see outer stroke smaller here, and we come here to our outer stroke. We will add here outer stroke. You see, outer stroke, you can change the color of outer. For example, I take red, I take green something. We have this outer green in our PNG, and we can increase the size here, small or bigger you can decide. And you can add effect like RGB effect, red, green, and from here you can like this effect. You see, now we have this actually outer stroke you can add, and you can add softness to this outer stroke. You see, it's not softness. You see, softness we have added is this light distance you can add, like you see distance, like something like this distance you can add, and the blend you can add, and you can add keyframing in the hair. You start keyframing, it will be keyframing you can add. This is very good. Border edges you can change from here to linear, it will be linear. There are some Gaussian, and this is circle, it will be like circle. We try and learn this, and it's actually like circle. So this is outer stroke up from DaVinci 19.1.1. Now it's actually series of today. Dear friend, now we come to our site of the Blackmagic, where what are the main changes from here. We come to here Blackmagic. So you see here, you have to come here, and you see this is today updated the DaVinci Resolve 19.1.3 here. And here you see this. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial, and share this update to your friends who are actually in need of such type of update, dear friend. Here we come, here you see about DaVinci Resolve 19.1.3. This installer will add DaVinci software to your system, as well as additional user setting, hardware control. See, actually the main you have to download. They also install Blackmagic Rock Player and Blackmagic Proxy Generator into the application folder. It will install into your application folder here. First we read, and now we go through this update. You have to update this now. This is the following features have been added. This delete unused cache, no, correctly account for transitions. There were a lot of cache files, DaVinci Resolve generates so many cache files. No, it can correctly delete this cache file. Address blank viewer previews for some fusion template. Address offset issues with imported AAP clips. Now address issues enabling auto resync for an empty folder. Address issue with focus when typing in a text field. Address issues with the searching all fields in the edit index here. Address issues with here left click edge source track to read one by one, dear friend. One major update for the AMD CPUs here, because I have AMD CPU, but I have new. But if you have old AMD CPU, address crash in Windows system with all AMD CPUs, it will help a lot after this update. Address fusion saves issue rendering EXRs from ARRIM MXF clips. These are technical terms. So after this updates, your fusion will work more stable, dear friend. And here address issues with left clicking to patch source tracks here. Some are very advanced. Support for ARRI Alexa 265 clips here. And this address issue with keyframing split tone in film look creator here. And the general performance and stability performance have been no, there will be more general performance stability in here. And actually this is the main here. This, you see this point. For this point you have to come here and read and know additional information. You see, actually for this you will also need to download and install the latest Blackmagic desktop video software for monitoring with your Blackmagic video hardware. If you have Blackmagic video hardware, desktop video is available from here. You have to download latest. Actually come here, you have to search here desktop hardware. Here you see fusions we have. Now this update is also for fusion. If your fusion separate fusion studio, work on separate fusion studio 19.1.3, you can download from here. You can see what are the main changes. This installer will add fusion studio software system. Double click here. I'll read all this from here. And we come here to our main, which I want to show you. Listen this class till the end. This is very important here. You see desktop video 14.4. This is actually latest. This is from our last. You have to download. If you have Windows, Linux, Macs, you have to click here download. You have to just type here everything and you just click and download this, dear friend. After this you will be able to use this here. You see this way, this installer will add DaVinci Resolve software to your system as well as additional software. Here additional information, you will need to download and install latest Blackmagic design desktop video software for monitoring with your Blackmagic audio design video hardware. So you download that according to your requirement. So actually this is the today's major update, dear. This, it looks like some performance and stability update, but there it's a very important, because your performance is very important maintenance. For in the maintenance of softwares, they need to pay a lots of money to software engineers. If they don't maintain these bugs fixings and problems and instability inside software, you can't use software. Software will not work on your PC. We have sometime I edit my file here in DaVinci Resolve. I have actually such type of problems occur, dear friends. So for this you have to download, and after this download, you see our DaVinci Resolve is working so good. You see here. Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. We have already updated DaVinci Resolve 19.1.2. If you haven't updated, please see. Update. In the last update, we have already talked about all the main basic features about DaVinci Resolve 19.1.2 and 19.1.1. And in this tutorial, we will cover for the best very important features. These features are very minute but very important features, and if you understand these features, because these features are very advanced, once you understand these features, it will save you a lot of time. So dear friend, you see, actually I have a class from DaVinci Resolve 19.1 and 19.2. Some advanced features we have separate class about those advanced features. You have to go to playlist and see, because in this class we were focused on the DaVinci Resolve 19 update, 19.1.3 update and performance, and the some features which had been added in the DaVinci Resolve 19.1 and 2. And about those updates, there were no stability sometimes, and software automatically stopped working sometime when we were rendering video, and software automatically crashed. Today's update is very important for those bugs fixing and those problems, dear friend. And update this dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Write me in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want, and about this 19.1.3, if you need more informations and more performance checkings and inspection about this, write me in the comment box. I will make more tutorial, dear friend, for you. We meet in the next class, dear friend. Take care. Bye.